Now we can look at question 5C. We are being requested to distinguish between the following terms: contango and backwardation, that is part 1. Part 2, market defensive funds of funds and strategic funds of funds, right there. So we start by looking at C, part 1, right there. We are being requested to distinguish between backwardation and contango. We can say that contango refers to a situation where the spot prices, or rather where the futures price, we can start with the futures price please, where the futures price is greater than the spot price. The term structure is hence upward sloping. That. So we also explain what backwardation is. Backwardation refers to a situation where the futures price is less than the spot price. The term structure is hence downward sloping. That is a clear distinction. I'm right over there between contango and backwardation. Now part 2 is asking about market defensive funds of funds and strategic funds of funds. So we say that market defensive funds of funds, refer to investment or allocation, refers to investment allocations, that concentrates on defensive securities. So what we're trying to do is that we're trying to invest in defensive securities that prevent the market from moving in a very erratic nature, or rather we are saying that the portfolio is not adversely affected by the erratic nature of the market movements like that. So invest in defensive securities that try to absorb all of the shocks in terms of the erratic movement in say security prices like that. So now, on the other hand, we explain what strategic funds of funds are. So, strategic funds of funds refer to securities, rather refer to funds in which we can say the decision for investment is transferred to a fund manager. that is what you're saying, are strategic funds or funds or funds that invest in long-term investments, of course, transferred to a fund manager there. Now, having looked at question 5C,